Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. This building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. Go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how we get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Lots of cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it. Okay, so now off the elevator on the second floor, you could walk up to if you want. It's just one flight. Okay, is this second floor, and right off the elevator is your unit. Unit 225. Okay. Tons of natural light. Big windows. High ceilings. Hardwood floors throughout. Really nice space for a dining and living space. Okay, first thing we'll go to is the bathroom. Tile throughout, medicine cabinet, vented with a fan, tub shower combo. Okay. Some closet space. In this hallway here. Another closet. And a little divider in there. Okay, now continuing to the first bedroom. It's a nice size. High ceilings, beautiful windows, overlooking Spruce Street. Spruce is a nicely trafficked street, but it's not too busy and not very loud. I'll show you the closet in a second. You got very high ceilings. Here's your one closet. Again, there is additional closet space that you just saw in the living area, but that is the one closet. Okay, wrap around. We'll go to the kitchen next. Here's the second bedroom. Beautiful hardwood floors, big windows, pretty stained glass. Again, overlooking Spruce. High windows, big space, large closet. Okay. Very large closet. And one more time from here. I'm going to zoom out to be helpful for a wide angle. Okay, that's the second bedroom. This is the kitchen. Washer dryer in the unit. Okay. Dishwasher. Lots of cabinet space. Tons of natural light. Sink, stove, refrigerator. Lots of cabinet space. Okay. I'll turn around for a second. This is again the living space we just wrapped around. Okay. It's the kitchen. It's a fantastic apartment. Okay. Last but not least, you share a small balcony here. There's a nice lock here. With one neighbor. This overlooks 16th Street. Now, this balcony is also accessible from the fire stair, okay? So there are a lot of people that could access it, but it's a nice like bonus feature. It's not private, it's a nice bonus feature. That's the apartment. Really high ceilings, nice sized rooms, laundry inside the unit. It's a nice space. Contact us right away.